Do you work in retail or perhaps logistics? Right now, the world of e-commerce and retail is changing so rapidly. It's a race about connectivity, but not about connectivity to the internet, but about the connection between the retailers, the distributors, the logistics. People expect urgent deliveries, they expect immediate response, they expect personalised customisation. This world of retail is changing and our competitors are encroaching. We have a workshop coming up in August, which is going to really define the new world of retail and logistics. We're going to deep dive into the world where we see a whole different way of thinking about what we sell, how we present it, even about our experiences with inside our shops. I welcome you to join me and some retail and logistic experts for a day of intense scrutiny of the way we have to think about our customers and the retailing of the future.